Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to the TV Backlight 3 Lite, an advanced LED backlight system meticulously designed to sync seamlessly with your television, creating a breathtakingly immersive experience that instantly transforms your viewing space into a cinematic heaven with colors that dynamically flow and shift to complement each scene, making every show, movie, or game feel more vibrant, lifelike, and captivating than ever before. Equipped with remarkable fisheye correction technology alongside versatile RGBICW color capabilities, this innovative backlight intuitively adjusts to match the hues displayed on your screen with remarkable precision, ensuring vivid, accurate lighting with minimized distortion to deliver an awe-inspiring visual effect that heightens the ambience and feel of your content. Whether you're diving into an action-packed blockbuster, immersed in an intense gaming session, or simply setting a calm, relaxed vibe for a cozy evening at home, while its built-in camera, voice control, and app control provide you with ultimate convenience and customization right at your fingertips, allowing seamless integration with your smart TV setup and effortless hands-free operation, making it easy to switch colors, adjust brightness, or sync settings using a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. All of these incredible features are available at an affordable price of just 12,999 rupees, positioning the TV Backlight 3 Lite as an invaluable investment for anyone who wants to elevate their entertainment experience with cutting-edge lighting, and with compatibility for televisions sized between 55 and 65 inches, it's the perfect addition to most home setups. So if you're ready to bring an elegant touch of style and add a dynamic, visually engaging edge to your viewing area, be sure to check out the link in the description below for further details and purchasing options. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech reviews. Also, let us know in the comments your thoughts on the TV Backlight 3 Lite, as we truly value your feedback and can't wait to see you in our next video.